Lift Facial Aesthetics is a place where people come to feel better about themselves through the use of injectables like Botox, dermal fillers, Kybella, and also medical grade skincare. What differentiates us is the specialized personal approach that I take with all my patients.
My comfort level in her chair is great. She asks me what my goals are, and we work on a plan to make that happen.
My favorite part of the process is the consultation, where I get to know the patient and really understand their needs. My goal with every patient is to give a natural and rejuvenated look. We love it when our patients tell us they get compliments on their skin, but it's not obvious or detectable what they had done.
I feel beautiful when I walk out of here. I don't feel like I have a different face. I just have a fresher version of myself.
Most people are surprised by how comfortable most of the procedures are and how quickly many of them can be done with little to no downtime. I feel very passionate about medical grade skincare for making great changes in the overall health and appearance of the skin. I really look forward to helping you look and feel your best.